Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tamago Tofu, savory egg custard similar to Chawanmushi, but it's served cold with dashi and soy sauce-based sauce. These are the ingredients. Although Tamago Tofu means egg tofu, there is no tofu or soybeans. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. In a large bowl, combine eggs, dashi fish broth, salt, and mirin. Mix very well and strain. Pour the egg mixture into 4 small heat-resistant cups. Place the cups in a steamer and cover with a lid wrapped with cloth and steam for 12 to 13 minutes at medium-low heat. Meanwhile, we make the sauce. In a small pot, heat dashi, soy sauce, and mirin until boiling and let cool. Poke a hole, and if the clear liquid seeps through, it's done. Refrigerate until cold for a couple of hours. Pour the sauce over before serving. Tamago tofu is smooth and refreshing. Perfect side dish to serve on a hot summer day.
美味しいね。